Prudential Overall Supply proudly opens its newest clean room laundry facility in Heath, Ohio. This $35 million investment spans 67,000 square feet on 9 acres, making it one of the largest and most advanced facilities of its kind in the United States. With capacity to employ more than 75 dedicated team members, the Heath plant is built to set new benchmarks for scale and innovation. Already, over 45 customer locations depend on this facility. Proof of the trust and confidence industries place in Prudential's unmatched service and precision. And with growth in mind, the Heath plant was designed for future expansion to continue meeting the rising demand of our customers. Biopharma, pharmaceuticals, medical devices, semiconductors, aerospace, and compounding pharmaceuticals, industries where quality and safety cannot be compromised, rely on Prudential to deliver excellence in every garment we process. With this new state-of-the-art plant, we ensure our customers receive only the highest quality clean room apparel and facility products, supported by a legacy of reliability and innovation that spans more than 90 years.